Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. I'm used to saying it is day something of the small account challenge, but unfortunately that's over. So today is just December 9th. It's been a little while since I've made a video. As you guys know from the last one, I don't currently have a day trading broker. That's why I haven't really been making consistent uploads every morning like I did for the Trade Zero challenge. But you know, I'm still active in the market, and I am still currently kind of figuring out what my next step is. So yeah, what I'm going to talk about in this video is, first off, GLSI today. Holy crap, I actually traded this. I'll get into that. So that is just a different thing though. Like, my god, did that thing ever rip. Wow, yeah, we'll look at GLSI in a second and what it means maybe for small caps. My current broker slash day trading status. So I'll tell you how I actually traded GLSI today and what I used or whatnot. And then lastly, in this video, I'm just going to get into my crypto trading and some other stuff that I have thinking about that. So first off, GLSI. My god, this thing I think ran 2,000% at a moment. What, like $15 at the open today, drops down to 12, up to 158. Like, bro, we haven't seen that in forever, since like SPI. My god. So basically, yes, I traded this. So how I traded this was on my Interactive Brokers account, the one I used to have with DAS. I had like $20 left on it, so I bought 1.5 shares of GLSI, and just because it, like, I don't know, I saw the breast cancer news or whatever this morning. Like, obviously I still wake up in the morning and check Ross's stream and log into TTG, because like, I like to stay up to date with this stuff. You know, I'm not gonna just give up and disappear. I just don't have a broker right now or a bunch of funds. But anyways, they had some, you can read this thing, just go to freaking FinViz and type up GLSI, scroll down here, and here's the news article. So they had something about curing breast cancer, 5-year data, and they gave like a ton of information. I didn't really read through it all. I'm not really a pharmacist, so I have no idea what all that means. But all I read was the headline, like most people probably do, and they cured breast cancer. So yeah, that's pretty cool. This stock had only a 1.74 million share float and a shitload of volume in the morning. So that's the reason I actually YOLO'd my whole account. Oops. Actually, I clicked the home button. That's the reason I went in kind of on my full account, because I'm like, you know, this thing's got a pretty good chance of running throughout the day, and I work today. So I was like, ah, well, I'll just buy 1.5 shares, put a sell order below the pre-market high, and go to work. So I bought it at, my god, this is brutal too. This is so depressing. So I ended up actually buying, here it is, 1.5 shares there at $20, $20.55. And my sell order hit at 35, and the thing went to like 150. It went to like 150, and I sold it at $35. But I don't think anyone in their right mind thought that that thing was going to go to 150 today. I also traded Fran, took a loss on it, and moved what was left of this tiny little minuscule account of $53 and moved it over to GLSI. So as you can see, there's the loss on Fran, and we made 21 bucks on GLSI while at work, which is pretty cool. So overall, $16 today. Maybe I'll try and do another trade in the morning tomorrow. It's kind of hard to trade with Interactive Brokers right now because I only have $53 to use as buying power on a cash account, and also I don't have any market data subscription here, so every time I enter in a trade, it's like, it's dangerous to do this. You don't know what the price is or whatever. But that's why that's where Webull comes in. So basically, I made an account on Webull and got some free 3 months of free market data. Okay, if you're watching this and you're new and you want free market data, this is my biggest thing. If you're starting a small account and you don't want to pay for anything because it's stupid and it eats up all your profits, just try and get as much free stuff as you can. Like, I've been using TradingView forever. Like, for like the last couple of years, have never paid a cent for it. Just deal with the ads, you know, just click X and whatever. It's probably saved me like 500 bucks, so like, it's worth it to me. Same thing with Webull right now. So I signed up for an account, and I have live market data for 3 months, so that's pretty sweet. So I can just use the charts here and then trade off Interactive Brokers. So, you know, that's a possibility right there. And once again, like, I don't know really why I left Interactive Brokers. Look at the commissions on on these. Where's the commissions? Okay, you can't see the commission right now, but it's like 30 cents per lot. Here it is, oh, right here, I think. Yeah, 35 cents, 20 cents. Like, this is, I might go back to IB, honestly, when I restart. I might go back to IB, but I need to save some money first. Or grow this thing. Imagine if I grew this to 2,500. That'd be so sick. Oh my god. Highly unlikely. Where am I going? Where'd Weeble go? Did I exit Weeble? Oh shoot. What am I doing? I must have exited Weeble. I didn't even see. Crap. Okay, one sec, guys. I was clicking tabs. I must have exited Weeble. Okay, yeah. So, anyways, holy crap, this thing pumped. Yeah, so basically what happened in the morning was I was kind of paying attention to TTG. You know, Mike said don't let this thing off the radar or whatever, and it pumped up pretty good. And I had a buy here at 20 bucks, filled me. It kind of dropped. I was like, ah, whatever, and it started consolidating. Around here, I was like, went to work, and I guess as soon as I went to work, the thing just exploded. Like, it just started halting on the way up. Like, that's crazy. It pulled like a Kodak moment right there, all the way up to 158. So that's pretty insane. If this wakes up small caps, I'm gonna have to load up that IB account pretty quick, because if the market gets hot again, like it did in the summer months, I'll be back in for sure ASAP. So yeah, I got like this cool little thing now, like just for free. And these are this is live, all live data, which is pretty freaking awesome for free. So yeah, if you want some free live data, go to Webull. 3 months of free data. Unfortunately, I can't actually make an account here because I am Canadian. So whatever. But anyways, yeah, that was GLSI today. Let me know in the comments down below if you traded GLSI, if you made a profit. That was freaking epic. I'm happy to have at least gotten a little piece of the pie there, and hopefully that wakes up some more small cap action for us tomorrow, or for the next couple months and start of 2021. That'd be pretty awesome. Okay, so yeah, that's a GLSI update there. 2,000% runner. That's pretty awesome to see. And yeah, and then so the next thing I'm gonna go into is kind of what I'm doing with Bitcoin right now. So this is Bybit. If you guys don't trade Bitcoin at all, you probably won't know what this is, but it's like a margin exchange that you deposit Bitcoin into, and you can basically use it to trade crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Link, all the cryptos. I usually only trade Bitcoin or ETH because they're the most liquid ones. But I threw in 50 bucks in this in like October, and it's the same story as my freaking small account. I'm at the point in my trading career where I'm not losing money, but I'm at this annoying like break-even point. And I remember hearing about this when I listened to I listened to the audiobook of Trading in the Zone, where the first stage of being a trader is you just constantly lose money, and then the second stage is you kind of have like these waves of break-even, and then hopefully the third stage is consistently profitable. But as you can see here, my overall P&L is like $11, but I've had like huge swings. Like here I was down $36 on the account, so I had $15 left, and I ran that all the way up to a $48 profit. So holy shit, that's like $15 to like 100 pretty much. So like there's that stretch, and then I lost it all, and now I'm back to even. So it's been kind of a struggle. I'm getting better though at trading Bitcoin, and these are two little tips that I've learned from this guy on Twitter called Salsa Tequila. He's a Bitcoin trader himself and has been doing it for a while. Is two little tips is that whenever you're entering in a trade, you have your trade idea. So for example, Bitcoin's all-time high was, I'll flip to this chart, it's a bit easier to see. So Bitcoin's all-time high is 20K. And as you can see, the price kind of started lurking up here, right? So we're trying to test 20K. We have a huge dump, huge rebound right up to that 20K level resistance. And then ever since then, we've been forming this very clear descending triangle pattern. So we recently broke the support of this, fell down. I was actually short this whole way down, covered into the bottom here. And then I knew that I wanted to try and get re-short on a bounce. But one thing that I used to do is like if the price was anywhere like here and I want to get short, I would just market myself in and okay, now I'm short. But what I did this time, and what I'm going to try and do, is follow this bit of advice. So what you want to get is a lucky entry and a likely exit. So what that means is something like this. So this was this morning before I went to work. I had all these orders set where I wanted to get in. So a bit of a range, right? So these kind of pinky numbers are all my orders. So from 18,600 all the way up to 18,657 was the range that I wanted to get short. And when you try and get a lucky entry, the odds of you getting filled are somewhat slim, but when you get filled, it's on like a top wick or a deviation of the price pattern. And usually if you do get filled, you maximize your risk to reward, because instantly if you're in profit in the position, that's usually a good sign that it was a good entry. So I am in a bit of profit now, not much. So like, yeah, these are my orders. All of them filled except for 2. So I had 6 open orders here, and like I said, I'm trying to look for the retest of this 18,700 level as resistance. And as you can see, we did put in kind of a nice mini little doji here on the 2 hour, and that's right where I got filled. And that's right where I wanted to get filled. So it's kind of cool that immediately I was in profit while at work. And now if I was trading much bigger size, say I'm up like 280 bucks, you can basically you have like zero risk because you got an amazing entry. So you can just stop out if it gets to your entry, or not really give it any room to run higher. It looks like it might come up for another test now, but overall I have a great entry to be short and hold this for a bit of a down move, which I think Bitcoin and crypto space has coming. So yeah, lucky entries maximize risk to reward, and likely exits maximize your win rate. So you have very good risk to reward entries and very high win rate because your exits are likely. So that's a bit of a tip he's talked about multiple times, and I definitely agree with him. I'm going to start implementing that more to my trading. Like, basically, if you're going long on a stock, you should never ever get filled on a green candle. It should always be like a dip candle, because then immediately the price bounces and you're in profit and you can manage that position. Same goes for short side. You want to be getting short on a big green spike and then a rejection, right? So yeah, that's where I'm at right now with this little Bybit account. So I guess I got like two $50 accounts. We got the Bybit account and we got the Interactive Brokers account. I'll probably wake up again. Honestly, I'm pretty hyped off GLSI today, so I'll probably wake up again tomorrow and try and trade this thing, and I'll update you guys on how that goes. Anyways, maybe this video is probably long enough. Good little update for today. I want to hear how you guys did on GLSI, or what you think. Like, is this going to wake up small caps? Is it going to be like summer again? A 2,000% move, and look at it's closed 13,000% up. That's going to turn some heads, or 1,300% up. That's going to turn some heads, and there's probably going to be a pretty epic plays tomorrow. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want me to do more in-depth videos about Bitcoin and what I think more long-term, other cryptos like Hex or Ethereum. If you guys want to learn more about Bybit, I'm not going to show you my referral link. That's not what this channel is about. It's only about spreading knowledge and helping each other out, and my journey to becoming a profitable trader. So yeah, guys, let me know what you want more. Let me know if you like this format, kind of pretty casual. I just got home from work, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Adios.